Hello guys, welcome to my new video, welcome to my channel. And we have recently heard this song Sahiba. This song is now famous all over Instagram, but still I'm sending this video in YouTube so that you can learn it easily. And it's simple. You can even use capo because I don't have capos, so that's why I am using bar chords. But you can also use capo in the on the first fret, and by singing you can see, like, the chords we are going to use are um, A minor. Okay, I'm telling when you will keep it in capo. Okay, and without capo, with bar chords, you can use this chord, and I don't know the name. I think I named it as F A minor, and it's my name. I don't know. That means you need to just change your fingers. Like normally in F major, what we use like this. That means covering the whole strings, then keeping your middle finger on the, what should we say, on the fourth string, and the two fingers on the third fret on the second and third strings. We use F major. We can play F major using this system. And but in the chord that I have made, here you need to do, or you can also use capo on the first fret and give A minor. It's simple. Or you in bad chords, that means you have to shift the the three fingers. You need to keep your finger, it's mandatory, on the first fret, and you just need to shift three of your fingers here in the downwards position. That means on the your middle finger will be on the fifth string of the second fret, and your other ring finger and your pinky will be on the third string and the fourth string, and for which you can play A minor, a bar chord. And then you need to use F minor. F minor is also simple. That means you just cover the whole portion of the first fret and keep your fingers, keep your index and the pinky on the that means using F major except your middle finger, and it will sound kind of like this. And you need to use F major actually in capo, like this, means shifting this F major from here, like this. Then you can use G major, and I'm using this bar G major as in capo. You can give the easy G major that we use normally in our guitars, but sometimes we can also use bar chords in place of G, like this. And just with these four simple chords, you can play this latest song. And the strumming pattern is also easy. That means the strumming pattern that I invented, but actually it's down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. It's the easy one. It's the easy one actually. There's a real strumming pattern that I also don't know. That's why I invented this strumming pattern, and make you learn this. And easy, you can also sing it like बातों बातों में ही, रातों रातों में ही मेरे करीब है तू, रात शराफत में जितना चाहे गुबरू, like this. You can play this easily, and it's also easy. It's a basic guitar. That means it's a semi-acoustic guitar. You can easily learn it. Thank you guys, and please like and subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this video.